One of the most underrated naked bikes just came back even sharper, faster, and way more aggressive? Yeah, I'm talking about the 2026 Suzuki GSX 8S. And trust me, this one might surprise a lot of people. Alright, let's get straight into it. No fluff. The 2026 GSX 8S is Suzuki doubling down on its middleweight naked game, and they're not playing safe anymore. This bike is built for riders who want power, style, and real street performance without going full superbike crazy. First thing you notice, the design hits different. It's got that aggressive Streetfighter vibe, sharp LED headlight, muscular tank, and a super clean tail section. It looks compact but mean, like it's ready to attack traffic. And honestly, it feels like Suzuki finally stepped up their design game to match rivals. But here's the real thing. This isn't just about looks. Under the tank, you've got a parallel twin engine, same platform that already proved itself strong and reliable. We're talking smooth power delivery, strong low-end torque, and enough punch to make highway pulls seriously fun. This bike is tuned for real-world riding, not just track numbers. So whether you're commuting or hitting twisty roads, it feels alive. And yeah, it's quick. Not scary fast, but definitely fast enough to keep a grin on your face. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Suzuki packed this thing with modern tech, ride modes to match your mood, traction control to keep things safe, quick shifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, full digital display that's clean and easy to read. This is not old school Suzuki anymore. They're catching up and doing it right. On the road, the GSX 8S feels balanced, not too aggressive, not too relaxed. The upright riding position makes it comfortable for daily use, but still sporty enough when you want to push it. Suspension? Solid. It handles bumps well and stays stable when you lean into corners. Brakes? Strong and predictable. Exactly what you need in a naked bike. By the way, if you're into bikes like this and want real updates without the boring stuff, hit that subscribe button. We keep it real here. Now, let's talk rumors. Some reports suggest Suzuki might tweak the electronics even more for 2026, maybe smoother ride modes or better throttle response. There's also talk about minor weight reduction and improved fuel efficiency. But remember, none of this is officially confirmed yet, so take it as speculation, not fact. And this is where things get serious. The GSX 8S is going up against some heavy hitters in the middleweight naked category. But Suzuki's strategy is simple: offer solid performance, modern tech, and a price that undercuts the competition. So if they get the pricing right again, this bike could be a serious value king. Here's the real reason this bike matters. Suzuki is finally showing they can compete in the modern naked segment, not just survive, but actually stand out. And for riders who want something different from the usual brands, this could be the perfect pick. So yeah, the 2026 Suzuki GSX 8S might not be the loudest name out there, but it's definitely one of the smartest choices in the game right now. Clean design, strong performance, real-world usability. But the big question is, would you pick this over its rivals, or are you still going with something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm reading everything. And I'll see you in the next one.